Why boyfriends get upset when you get close to other guys. And no, it's not always about control. Psychology explains this in a way most people never talk about. When a boyfriend sees his partner getting close to another guy, emotionally or physically, his brain doesn't process it as nothing's happening. It processes it as risk, even without cheating, because men are wired for status comparison. Another guy nearby quietly activates questions he probably can't even fully explain. Am I being replaced? Am I enough? Does he offer something I don't? These thoughts happen fast, often before he's even aware of them. And here's what attachment psychology tells us. When a man feels uncertain about the bond, protective behavior kicks in. That irritation you're seeing, it's usually not distrust toward you. It's fear of loss dressed up as anger, because men were never taught to say I'm scared, so it comes out as an attitude instead. The difference between healthy and unhealthy? A healthy partner communicates the fear, an unhealthy one just acts it out. If this triggered something in you, you already know why.